I had a position in this. I shed it today just because I was losing ground on my profits, and yeah, I think if you bought it recently, which I had bought it recently, I just didn't want to see this go negative on me, um, and I had I started with exactly what I was saying before. I started with my ads, got rid of those first, and then as things got worse, I tossed the rest of it. If you've got this from before, you have a little bit more flexibility. But I think if you did a recent ad, you have to be very careful here.
I wanted to add a little color to the Palantir sell-off, and yeah, I'd also have a position and definitely considering trimming it because it's just really selling off hard today. And Barron's noted a report from William Blair that highlighted some difficulty that Palantir may have in terms of data sharing and data privacy with its clients. And one big client is the US Army. And so, according to Adam Clark's story, that the future renewal of the Army contract could lead to a smaller piece of the pie for Palantir, and that the Army could consider adding more vendors to its data analytics, sort of work. So basically, the William Blair analyst said that it could reduce the revenue stream from the Army contract to from 116 million to something below that over the medium term. So that's probably one reason why Palantir is down, and this is on Barron's, as I said. So I think Palantir is being Palantir. It really is a tough stock to hold. Even if you feel like you bought it on a good a buy point, such as that earnings gap, because that earnings gap had a nice trend line buy point too. Just be aware that, well, maybe you had a 10-15% gain. Now make sure you protect that as well as you can.